Now, this does come with a 3-year warranty. It comes with a $500,000 guarantee for connected items. I just got the CyberPower CP1500 pure sine wave UPS power backup. This is freaking heavy. It says mini tower, so that's about right. It's got this LCD screen that can move up and down. It is color. I don't really care, but this gets really good reviews. It also has the USB ports so you can charge. You got 12 ports back here. Now, these are surge and battery, and these are just surge. 1500 VA, 1000 watts. They do say you'll get 66 minutes with just a normal mini tower, your monitor, and a router. Now, I'm a streamer, so I'm running 2 key lights from Newer. I've got 3 monitors, a 27-inch and 2 22 inches. I needed more power here. I'm probably going to be up to about 800 watts, maybe a little bit more with my setup. The reality of how many minutes you're going to get using almost the max on this, 2.5, maybe 3-4 minutes if you're lucky. These batteries last about 3 years. Now, they are replaceable. It's not an easy swap, but it's not impossible to replace. They sell the replacement batteries. Now, this also has the AVR, which is the automatic voltage regulation. Now, what that's going to do, instead of it going onto your battery, it will correct minor power imperfections. It's got the 5-foot cord. You can direct connect it to your tower and you can control it from there. Now, this does come with a 3-year warranty. It comes with a $500,000 guarantee for connected items. I don't put much into that. I don't know how that would work or if it'll even pay off, but it is nice to know that they do protect the unit. It's an Amazon choice. 10,000 of these were bought last month. It's got over 11,000 reviews and 4.6 stars. I think for most situations, this might even be overkill. For me, this is like a perfect match. Check out the CyberPower.